In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear shocks on this GMC Sierra. These are going to be located in the rear behind the rear tires. Let's get into it. I'm going to use a pull jack underneath the rear axle just to raise up, take some of the tension off the shock. Using a 21mm wrench and 21mm socket, take this nut and bolt out. Take that out. And the shock is loose. Now at the top of the shock, we're going to use a 21mm socket. And the bolt is loose. Grab the bolt, pull that out, and you can pull the shock right out. Now before we install the new shock, you want to compress it. Just push it, compress it all the way in, and then we're going to let it extend. And we're going to do that 3 times. All right, now we're ready to install it. Get the top part of the shock in the bracket, get the bolt started. Get that started. Take the bottom part of the shock, line that in the bracket, put the bolt in, and get the nut started. Now we're going to tighten this down. Now we're going to torque this nut and bolt to 85 foot-pounds. That's good. Tighten up the top bolt. And torque this to 85 foot-pounds. Alright, that's good. And lower the pull jack. And you can do the same on the other side. That was a quick and easy job, and now you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.